Hey guys, Star here back with you. Hope all is well and trust you're having a good day. As we discussed earlier, no trades this morning, guys, given these mixed messages that we've had all morning. But now we're putting in a fairly interesting pattern, grinding above the open range. 9 is back above the 21, squeezing in and so on. The preceding candles, of course, are quite messy and indecisive, above and below the open range, in the open range, and so on. But now we're putting in this big, larger cup with a handle style pattern, ascending move here, series of higher lows, a nice rejection wick here from inside of the open range. Now, I would not be interested in the long here, guys, unless we break the session highs. It's a very aggressive stance. In other words, I'm demanding a lot from price action to prove its strength before considering taking a long. My stop would likely be here. That might change as things develop here. But for now, this is what I'm looking at, guys. So I'm going to say buy stop order even now. There's a very high chance that I'm going to adjust that before actually entering. This is very much lining up with the daily posture of an up day, which has now broken above 1, 2, 3 full days, including a very weak day that we had here on Monday, which turned into a stronger close, right? 9 above the 21, rising EMAs, but it's been a very congested and indecisive daily picture. If we break above here, guys, that will also mean taking out this candle and this candle. These were very strong rejection wicks. So that will be very telling and why I'm demanding all of this. Instead of just getting in now, jumping the gun, I'm demanding that prices bring me in before I'm willing to go along for the ride. And then I would be asking a whole lot more from this. 184 points to target 2. Obviously half that to target 1. And I'm in, guys, and I'm in. Fairly extended leg here, guys, but that's okay. I'm just going to stick with the program here, expecting that we're going to get a pullback right back into here again, which would be a normal retracement after this double topping here. We're going to go past a little bit at the very least. With the energy and torque of breaking beyond this and this on the daily, we could absolutely fulfill all of this, even though it sure doesn't feel like it in the moment. Remove this zone marker now. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability, and the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. And so now it's just the 1.5 hour and 2-hour all or nothing traders sticking around to see if they can make some money here today. Alright guys, we're back, and as you can see, we have moved all the way back to my original entry point, and so the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has now moved their stop to break even because we've pulled back to the original entry. So now we sit and wait to see if we pull all the way back and those two models take a charge, or if it rallies higher and they get to make some money here too. Alright guys, we're back and it's 3:52 p.m. nearing the close of the session. About 7.5 minutes left in the session. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to place a sell order for the last two models at 1.5R. Obviously the 1.5 hour all or nothing model already has a sell order there, but the 2-hour all or nothing will also be selling there in case we get a pump. But I'm going to move the stop orders on those two to 1R. So if prices drop from here, guaranteed that these two models will get 1R. If we pump this way first, then guaranteed that these two models will both get 1.5R. So now it's just a matter of where we go here into the close. If it sits in the middle, I'll just shut it down here for 1.25R approximately for both of these models. Alright guys, we hit 1.5R, and so the 1.5R all or nothing and the 2-hour all or nothing trader has been closed out at 1.5R. In the meantime, we still have 4.5 minutes to go until the end of the session, so I'm just going to let this play and see how we do from here. right, guys, the market is closed, and there it is. So as you can see, the 1 hour all or nothing trader, full profits. The 1.5 hour, full profits. The 2 hour all or nothing closed out manually at the end of the day here at 1.5 hour. And the most conservative 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour was stopped out at break even. I want to thank you for being here, guys. That was nearly 6 hours of trading. We finally did it. Have an amazing afternoon, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.